Hey guys, it's Evie. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Galactic Reef pins. So unboxing pins is so much fun, and I really wanted to share that part of the process with you guys because you helped me bring the project to life, and yeah, I'm really excited. So I think we should just kind of get started. Let's unbox some pins. So I've got our giant boxes right here. We got our first box. Got my kind of trusted knife out here. So yeah, let's see if we can get this open. I don't even know where to start cutting, so I'm just kind of gonna do that. Not the nicest unboxing you've seen, I'm sure, but oh wow. Okay, let's see, which ones should we go with first? So these are the gold one, it seems. Let's try one of these. You see that? Looks beautiful. It does have a bit of a smudge on it. I don't know if that's gonna be a bad one or if I might just have to clean it a bit. Wow, I love that though. Look at those lines. Oh, it's so exciting. These are our starfish ones, it seems. Look at that. It's the tiniest pin I've ever made. I love the size. It's great for jackets and stuff, I think. Okay, let's do whale shark. That is so exciting. Okay guys, next up in our box are manta rays. That looks so cool. I'm really liking how these are turning out. Okay, next up we have jellyfish. See if the camera will focus nicely. I love how that one came out so much. Next up we got the monk seal. Hello. This is such a funny one. I really like him. It's a specific taste though. Some people don't like the kind of derpy look. I really like it, so I'm really happy with how he turned out. Next we have the Dumbo octopus. What do you guys think? I keep calling this my ballerina design. He's just so, you know, he's such a nice dancing one. I don't know, I really like it. Next up we have the axolotls. Look at that. That's so great. You know, what I love about the manufacturer I'm working with now is that they're doing great work. I mean, this looks exactly like my drawing. Oh my god, so heavy. Hi, next up is the rainbow pins. So what I didn't know when I started this project was that white soft enamel, it reacts a bit with the color of the rainbow metal, and so there will be a tint. So if you really don't like that tint that is in the white rainbow metal, because it's not white, it's more like a light purplish pink, I think, from what I can see in the images. So if you really don't like that, you're more than welcome to swap to the gold pins if you'd rather have that. And you just, you know, I just never assumed that white enamel paint wouldn't be white, if that makes sense. And I still really like them. So I do hope that you do too. And yeah, well, I'm excited to see how they actually look because I've only seen photos. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited to do this with me. So let's get started. Let's see, monk seal first. There they are. So what I didn't know before doing rainbow plating is that the colors actually react a bit with the actual rainbow metal, so they will have a slight tint to them, which means that the blue won't be the exact same blue, the pink won't be the exact same pink, and also the white will have a bit of a color tint to it. And there we go. Is a Hawaiian monk seal, and if you can see that, you know, his body is supposed to be white, and it does have a purple or pinkish tint to it. I still think they came out really great. I'm really happy about that. Now, let's see who's next. Got some manta rays. So exciting. And of course they got the back stamp as well. Next up we got the jellyfish. I love how the swirls are coming out, even in the soft enamel, it's really good. Next up we have... yeah, I love that. So the rainbow metal is coming out more blue than I thought it would be, or more blue-green. Really cool though, I like that. Next up we got some stars. See here? Your little freebie stars again. Very cool, and I really love this. You know, the kind of rainbow marks that they have at the back. I think that's so cool. Like that, I think that's beautiful. But you know, also of course the front. More starfish. Whale shark. I keep saying whale shark. I need to get into the w. Wow, look at that! It does have a purple tint to it, and the pink as well. Maybe it's because of the contrast with the rainbow metal, actually. Maybe it looks exactly the same. Anyways, I'm really happy with how the whale shark turned out. It's really exciting. Did we look at the jellyfish? We didn't. Okay, cool. Jellyfish! Super cool. Let's see, guys. Got our Dumbo octopus. Oh, the octopi. Look at that. Woohoo! Next up we got the axolotls. Sorry, I forgot to show you the bag at first, but yeah, they're all in here. Hello! So I will be uploading a grading video. That will probably be after I've actually sent these pins out, so that, you know, I can get them to you guys as soon as you possibly can get them, because, you know, they're yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing process, and yeah, I'll see you later.